writing book, page number 30, 31 and 32. So let's start our class. Look at the board. This is page number 30. W, there are three words that starts with W. At first, wall. W-A-L-L, wall. W-A-L-L, wall. W-A-L-L, wall. The next one is window. W-I-N, win. D-O-W, do, window. W-I-N, win. D-O-W, window. W-I-N, win. D-O-W, window. Then the next one is watch. W-A-T-C-H, watch. W-A-T-C-H, watch. W-A-T-C-H, watch. Now page number 31. There are three words that starts with X. X-R-A-Y, ray, X-ray. X-R-A-Y, ray, X-ray. X-R-A-Y, ray, X-ray. Then xylophone. X-Y, xy, L-O, lo, xylo. P-H-O-N, phone, xylophone. X-Y, xy, L-O, lo, xylo. P-H-O-N, phone, xylophone. X-Y, xy, L-O, lo, xylo. P-H-O-N, phone, xylophone. Then Xerox. X-E-R-O-X, Xerox. X-E-R-O-X, Xerox. X-E-R-O-X, Xerox. Now page number 32, and this is the last page for today. Y-A-K, yok. Y-A-K, yok. Y-A-K, yok. Y-O-L-K, yok. Y-O-L-K, yok. Y-O-L-K, yok. Then yard. Y-A-R-D, yard. Y-A-R-D, yard. Y-A-R-D, yard. And students, your HW is fill in the blanks number 7 to 12. I'm repeating, fill in the blanks number 7 to 12. This is your HW number 14, fill in the blanks 7 to 12. Students, that's all for today. See you in the next class, inshallah. Allah Hafiz.